Hey everyone, if you're a security system installer, CCTV tech, or low voltage pro working with IP and analog cameras, stay tuned because this one's for you. Hey, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the CTV-8K. A powerful all-in-one tester that supports everything from 8K IP cameras to coaxial analog systems. This is more than just a CCTV tester. It's a complete installation and diagnostic tool that helps you set up, power, configure, and troubleshoot surveillance systems with ease. Whether you're working with PoE cameras, testing cables, adjusting PTZ settings, or verifying your network, the CTV-8K has everything you need in one rugged portable unit. Here are some key features that really make this tool stand out. It supports Ultra HD. You can test and view up to 8K H.265 IP camera feeds, plus HDMI input up to 4K at 30 FPS and HDMI output up to 4K at 60 FPS for crystal clear monitoring. Works with IP, CVBS, AHD, TVI, and CVI cameras with RJ45 and BNC connectors or connecting via Wi-Fi. The CTV-8K will automatically detect and adjust its settings based on the input. You get power versatility. Using the internal lithium-ion battery to power cameras with PoE, USB, or 12-24 volt DC outputs, so no external power supply needed on site. It has a built-in diagnostic suite, from cable testing with TDR up to 3 kilometers to PoE detection, PTZ control, network diagnostics, and even a color bar generator. This tool has it all. Here's how it works. First, power it on and connect your camera. Depending on your setup, you can connect an IP camera via RJ45 or Wi-Fi, or an analog camera using the BNC input. For IP cameras, use the ONVIF scan to auto-discover and connect. Most major brands are supported. For analog, it'll detect the display and signal automatically. Need to power the camera on site? No problem. The CTV-8K lets you power devices via PoE, USB, or even 12 to 24 volts directly from the tester. Control PTZ and adjust settings. If your camera supports PTZ, use the RS485 input to control tilt, pan, zoom, and even change presets, all directly from the tester interface. Run diagnostics. Use the TDR to test your cable lengths and detect shorts, opens, or impedance mismatches. You can also run network tools like ping, DHCP, and socket tests to make sure everything is connected properly. Record live video or take snapshots for documentation. And if you're working with external HDMI input, the CTV-8K can display it right on its 7-inch screen. So if you're looking for a serious professional grade tool that streamlines every part of your CCTV installation or service job, the CTV-8K should definitely be in your toolkit. It's smart, powerful, and built for the job site. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.